Number 1. 1970 Ford F100 Sport Custom, $4,500, Great Falls, Montana. This 1970 Ford F100 4x4 is a rugged sport custom model, reportedly upgraded from a 360 to a 390 cubic inch V8. It features a 4-speed manual transmission and manual locking hubs. Though it runs decently and appears structurally solid, the truck lacks a title and battery and is best suited as a restoration project. The presence of an air conditioning unit, likely dealer installed, adds interest for originality seekers. With its red paint and classic square body lines, it's a strong candidate for a capable vintage off-roader. Number 2. 1983 Ford F250 4x4 diesel, $4,500, Thorndale, Texas. Equipped with a 6.9-liter diesel V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission with granny low gear, this 1983 Ford F250 4x4 is a solid platform for restoration. The body is in good shape with minimal rust, and the driveline is sound. But the truck hasn't run in years due to battery and possible compression issues. The mileage is unknown, and the odometer is broken. A great buy for diesel enthusiasts looking to revive a tough, no-nonsense classic workhorse. Number 3. 1958 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $4,800, Jefferson City, Missouri. A standout from the late 1950s, this 1958 Ford F100 Custom Cab features a 292 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's mostly complete and honest, with over 91,000 miles and a clean title. While the fuel delivery system needs attention, it will start with gas in the carburetor. This well-aged yellow pickup has been in the hands of only 2 owners since new, making it a worthy project for collectors who appreciate originality and patina. Number 4. 1960 Ford Halfton Shortbed, $5,000, Fairbury, Nebraska. A rare shortbed version from 1960, this Ford Halfton retains its original 223 cubic inch straight-six engine, mated to a 3-on-the-tree, column-shift manual transmission. The odometer is broken, but the truck runs strong thanks to recent work on the gas tank, fuel line, and brakes. A 9-inch rear end makes it desirable for Ford purists. The electrical system will need attention, but this classic Ford offers vintage utility in a compact package. Number 5. 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000, $5,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000 long bed packs a healthy 327 Vigilante V8 under its patina-rich exterior. It starts reliably, has a rebuilt carburetor, new starter, power steering pump, and a beautifully reupholstered bench seat. While it needs a new exhaust system and has mismatched axles, the truck includes a parts 1965 Gladiator J300, offering great value for a full restoration. The original FSJ, full-size Jeep, platform makes this an increasingly rare and desirable piece of 1960s Americana. Number 6. 1975 Ford F350 Flatbed, $1,900, Bothell, Washington. This heavy-duty 1975 Ford F350 dually flatbed is equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed transmission. Notable upgrades include an Edelbrock carburetor, electric fuel pump, a hoist, 12,000-pound winch, and new trailer plug. It shows signs of rust and needs bedwood replacement, but runs and drives. With its rugged frame and work-ready additions, it's a bargain-priced platform for someone in need of a vintage utility truck. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $2,500, Spring Hill, Kansas. An all-original shortbed example, this 1979 Chevrolet C10 features a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Though its Missouri salvage title reflects past issues, the truck runs, drives, and stops. Rust, dents, faded paint, and aged tires give it a true survivor look. For restoration or rat rod purposes, this weathered workhorse could be the start of a cool custom build or nostalgic shop truck. Number 8. 1965 Ford F100 Longbed, 4500 Albuquerque, New Mexico. This longbed 1965 Ford F100 is powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-6 with a 4-speed manual including granny gear. It comes with a host of new parts: battery, starter, fuel pump, master cylinder, and brakes. Though the body shows rust, particularly in the bed, the undercarriage is in decent shape. This dependable work truck retains a clean title and is a practical entry point for classic Ford enthusiasts. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet C60 dump truck, $4,500, Lexington, Oklahoma. This 1974 Chevrolet C60 is a functional dump truck with a big block V8 and manual transmission. Although it starts and runs, it is not roadworthy without further work. The dump bed operates properly, and it comes with $5,500 worth of brand new steel rims and tires, along with upgraded braking components and door window hardware. This project vehicle is best suited for someone looking to restore or repurpose a vintage medium-duty hauler. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $20,300, Phoenix, Arizona. A first-generation compact pickup, this 1983 Chevrolet S10 has a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. While the odometer is not functioning, reads 275,000 miles, title says 125,000, the truck starts and runs well and recently passed emissions. It lacks air conditioning, and the interior needs work, but with a clean title and running condition, it's a solid entry-level project or daily beater with retro charm. Number 11. 1989 Chevrolet Scottsdale 1/2 ton, $500, Gold Country, California. This 1989 Chevrolet Scottsdale offers tremendous potential at a bargain price. It runs but requires a head gasket replacement. Recently smogged and registered, it's ready for someone who wants a classic pickup project with a clean title. At just $500, it represents a true fixer-upper opportunity for Chevy truck fans. Number 12. 1989 Ford F-250 4x4. $4,500, Seymour, Missouri. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, this 1989 Ford F-250 4x4 features a bold maroon and gray color scheme. The seller reports it runs and drives with a clean title, but needs a water pump. With a solid drivetrain and classic late 1980s styling, this is a practical full-size pickup for work or light restoration. Number 13. 1981 Dodge D350 Dually Flatbed, $4,500, Victor, Iowa. This 1981 Dodge D350 is a heavy-duty dually flatbed with a manual transmission and a V8 engine. While the odometer has rolled over, the truck includes new tires, treated wood for the bed, brake calipers, control arm, rear lights, and a Bluetooth radio. It also features removable bedsides and a dump bed, making it a great utility vehicle with vintage appeal. With a clean title, it's a solid base for commercial or hobbyist use.